Good morning, peeps. What's crack-a-lackin'? How are you hey, today is quite a big day, and normally I say that and I'm doing something not big, but today is genuinely a big day and I'm kind of bricking myself, but it's fine. We'll go over it. So there's this thing called the BIA, which stands for the Baking Industry Awards, and I am currently a finalist for the Rising Star of the Year. I am a finalist. There's 3 of us that are finalists, but it's not just the award show that I'm excited about. They've put us up in like, I think it's like a 5-star hotel. So nice. The breakfast alone is £29 for the breakfast, and I've got that included. I wonder if it's the type of hotel to have robes. I don't think it will be, but it's got robes. I'm kind of scared. Also, I'm actually really sad because last year Stephen Mulhern presented it, and if you know me, you know that Stephen Mulhern is one of my favourite TV personalities ever. And this year it's Ashley Roberts. Don't get me wrong, I love a bit of Ashley Roberts, but that's like saying to someone who's a fan of Harry Styles, you've got Liam Payne. No, it's not the same, is it? We'll get another analogy another time. I'm having a wee crisis. Don't know whether to take a bag like this, which is actually full to the brim and doesn't technically fit everything. So I've got things in here, or I can take a small suitcase. But then tomorrow I'm going around London. Who wants a small suitcase going around London? Not I. But at the same time, I hate carrying bags. I absolutely hate carrying bags. I hate it. But I also hate not having the things that I wanted. And I feel like when I bring a small bag, I forget things. Thanks guys, you've helped me make up my mind. I'm going to be taking a small suitcase. You know what, one day I'm going to have a suitcase that has the 4 rolly wheels. But I've never had that. We're a family of 2. 100% no. There are people out there who have these, because basically you could save up your Tesco Club Card points and get these suitcases. So we've literally them in every size. Let's pack. Oh my gosh, I feel so grown up having like an evening outfit. I'm ready to go, boys. Guys, I was just sitting editing a video and I'm really nervous now. Not really for like the competition, because whether I win or not, I don't really, like, I made it to the final, so I don't really mind. It's more like the whole process of the night. There's so many elements that I'm absolutely, like, I wish I could take out and show you my tummy to show you how nervous I was. Do you know what I mean? It's really pushing out. I'm really breaking it. This time tomorrow it will be over and I'll have had a nice yummy breakfast buffet at the hotel. I keep getting nervous burps. Oh my, it's got ropes. Stop. Stop it. Oh my god. Oh my days. I don't really know what to do. I wasn't anticipating this. I feel like I'm in the Sweet Life of Grace and Kira. Okay, oh my gosh, wait, no, I have to do the tour. Okay, so this is what you're greeted with. And then here's the bathroom. Where's the shower? Oh my gosh, look at that shower. It's White Company, sorry, it's White Company shower gel. Look at that. It's flipping White Company. White Company. Oh, also there was a viewer who signed us in. There was a bit of a, what do you call it, a situation. Hannah, was her name Hannah? Did I read it on her badge right? So thank you very much for helping us with that. And then there's slippers. Beautiful wardrobe. Slippers. And then we've got a bottle of water. Oh my gosh, well I mean we won't be doing that. What's down there? Oh mini, oh my gosh, that's the mini. Sorry, but I don't know if you can see that. Pringles in a fridge. What wrong'un puts Pringles in a fridge? There's a hairdryer. Then we've got the beds. What kind of a... Is it nice? It's quite nice. This TV. This is crazy. A little chair. A little sofa. And look at that. That's like proper London cuteness. It's one of those pens with the stylus on the end that you can tap on your phone. Thank you, Baking Industry Awards. Now I'm here, I feel a bit more at ease. Here's a slipper unboxing, welcome. I can't even how like you can't hear anything. We're in the centre of London. You can't, can you?
I didn't even realise that. It's silent. I know. I know.
Guys, they're not towelled. They're like fleece. They're
They're like
spongy.
the softest.
No.
Bless you.
What's a vanity pack? There's a vanity pack. A nail file and ear thingies. No, I wish I could keep this.
Oh my gosh. If I could live in this, I think I would.
We will be revelling in this for a few moments. Do you know what? I do need to paint my toenails. So I've painted my toes now, and we've had a little bit of a debrief, and we've had our hot beverages. Akira's really enjoying her hot chocolate. I'm about to show Akira something. I need the lights on for this.
No!
Did you know that I was about to show you? No. And then you've got second blind. I feel like this is the best day of my life, if I'm honest. Akira, beyond magical. Hannah, you work in a very nice hotel. Really hope her name's Hannah. We've been here playing with this because we kind of could not for the life of us work out what this one did. We've got all these ones and like, wait, what one's this one? A light by your bed to turn on the light in the toilet. Can you imagine that? So you don't walk into anything. But we're meeting all the other contestants in about an hour. I know, I really don't want to put shoes on. These are so soft. I really wonder if I can keep them. I think. Hannah, let me know. Joking. I really hope her name's Hannah. Obviously the toilet rolls had this little stamp on. I'm going to show you guys. Put it in the shape of a triangle. I learnt this off of Mrs. Hinch. Stamp. Consider it stamped. Just felt the towels for the first time and they're like 100 ply. There's now to meet all the other finalists and their +1s. I feel like I'm on Sex in Sex and the City. You know, their apartments are like this. Cactus, there's a succulent. Oh, okay, let's go down. Hello everyone. So we just went and met everyone. They are so nice, really sweet, really lovely, so much more at ease. Literally as soon as I started chatting, I was like, oh phew, this is gonna be chill. About to get ready. Although me getting ready isn't really the most elaborate thing because it's not really, it's basically me putting my hair in a bun and putting some earrings in, but it's fine. I'm ready now. I will be putting on some lip gloss, but I'll take you through the outfit. We've got some little hoop sayings. This is the dress. Oh,
It's a little sweet basket.
Are they American sweets?
Yeah, I got like.
Oh my gosh, Jolly Ranchers.
I got like a bunch of chips.
Oh my gosh, thank you. Look at this. Thank you, right. I'm literally living my best life.
For the new car.
Stop! You won't take too much.
No, it's. And then I was in Walmart, corn, little stabber, and I was like, she's gonna.
I don't know what to do. So like, this is me every Christmas I get and I open it straight away. So off we went for the night. I was ready and I wasn't even that nervous. I was kind of buzzing because I was really excited and because I knew the girls and I was happy with either one of them winning because they were both so nice. Had our little ticket and then we went into the place and it was literally so busy and packed. There was a really nice atmosphere. It felt like everyone coming together and because it was intergalactic themed, it had really cool like space things, and as they were doing the opening there was like steam coming out of the floor. It was all proper cool actually, and this is what it looked like. Then we had Ashley Roberts host the awards, who's obviously an ex-Pussycat doll. If you watched Strictly last year you'll know all about that. Speaking of which, I'm very excited for Strictly this year. And we had our meal, which was really good. One of my favorite meals I've actually had in a really long time. Had duck pastrami. Didn't even know that was a thing, and they catered really well for my dairy-free needs. Annoyingly, the rest of the clips have music in and I'll get copyrighted, so I've only got this tiny little section.
Please welcome Grace to the stage.
Copyright is such a little nuisance, because otherwise I could have actually had all the talky bit here.
The winner of the Rising Star Award 2019 is Megan. Yeah!
And there was a little dance, there was a band so you could dance. But then comes the best part, which I never thought I would be excited for. And it was a casino. They gave you like these little tokens, so you weren't actually spending any money. I literally had the best time. I can see how people get addicted to poker and things like that. It was so much fun. I was living my best life. I feed off of the good vibes and then I get even more hyper, and it's kind of bad. But it was a really, really fun night. I actually won't believe this. What's the time? Like 1 or 1 o'clock, and I'm all live. I'm wired. I'm still, I need to watch some Friends or something. So we just came back to the hotel room. Here's the, I'll fill you in tomorrow. Look what they've done with my slippers. I want this as a tea towel. I know, I want to know what we can keep. The next morning I woke up really, really early because my body likes to do that to me. And I put the shower cap on because you've got to use everything when you go to a hotel. You've got to crack into all of the things. But when I put the shower cap on, I looked ridiculous. But it was actually very necessary because the shower was, what are they called? Like a waterfall shower. So I needed it to protect my hair. It was the best shower I have ever had. It was, maybe because I was a bit tired as well, and it was so powerful. I literally felt like I had an out-of-body experience. And then I got into the comfiest towel. Those towels are so good. They're so thick. And then I got in my robe, so I was so happy. Good morning, everyone. I woke up at 6. We're about to go down for breakfast, so I hope you're ready for the most exciting breakfast buffet ever. Well, we're hoping. We don't know. Oh my days. This breakfast buffet, I'm not joking, was the best thing I've ever had. They even had portobello mushrooms. Portobello mushrooms. Look at this bacon, it's all like crispy. So I started off with the fry up section. They even had Indonesian fried rice, which started off with a bit of bread, some beans, some sausages, bacon and mushrooms. Made a little bacon sandwich and I was so happy. And then they brought over hot water and lemon. Even look at these mini Nutellas. Mini Nutellas, not even just mini jams. Mini flipping Nutellas. I wanted to take some, but again, didn't know if I was allowed. There was a selection of breads, but the best of all were the olives. When I say these olives were incredible, I had it on olive bread. Olives on olive bread. Didn't think it would be a breakfast thing, but I thoroughly enjoyed myself. It was so good. Had some fresh fruit. There was yogurt parfaits. There was minis of basically every jam you could ever want. There was pastries. The breakfast buffet alone could have been a whole vlog because there was so much. There was even a honeycomb wall. Like a wall where you carve the honeycomb out of. There was fruits, there was everything you could possibly dream of. But I'm still thinking about those olives, and I don't know why I don't have olives for breakfast more. If you know me, you know olives, bread and crisps are my 3 favourite food groups. And the fact that I could just help myself to as many olives as I want, and they were like luxurious olives. The sweet mother of pearl. That breakfast. We're about to meet Emily, which she's been on the vlogs before. About to go and see her for the first time in ages, which will be nice. It's pretty, but
where do you want to stay?
guys, so I'm here with Emily and Kira now, and Emily just said she's got something for me. Go on. I think I'm a and it's clear, but it's also got blue waves and the sea.
Gross.
And then, hello! Oh, you're so cute! Oh my god! I can't believe you can't think of anything more perfect, really.
I know.
It's blue with waves. I literally love it. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh, the corridor is so sad. We have to go and check out now. I'm sad. I can confirm this is your key to comfort and calm. Sorry, but I nearly forgot these guys. Shampoo and a conditioner separate. These are coming. Are you allowed to take them? You are, aren't you? Yeah. Sweet mother of pearl. I just had to walk from the station, but like, it's a big walk. I'm such a baby. I've actually got calluses from rolling my suitcase around in London. And you see the yellow? Oh. I feel so out of breath. Back home with the beanbag, the big old beanbag, which is still the comfiest thing ever. I thought I'd be over it. I'm over how much space it takes up, but I'm not over how comfy it is. Anyway, so overwhelmed with how lucky and blessed I am. I just can't fathom how grateful I am. I thought I'd do a little haul because I actually have a few things. Also, look us up. So I never actually explained the results bit, but basically Megan won, but Megan has entered it 3 years now and she 100% deserved it. Like, I can't think of a more deserving winner, and she was so, so lovely. So congrats, Megan, you deserved it. Really don't think she'll watch this, but congrats. And all my pictures, these were the other lovely girls, so nice. Honestly, I feel like I've got some pals for life there. Me and Akira. So this is Richard, he's head of Rondo, and he like did all the judging and stuff like that, and there was the whole team at Rondo was so nice. I'm literally like, what the flipple flap. Also, look at this, okay? See that? That's my name. Somehow I took these. I didn't even wear them on the night. I guess I put them in my bag. I'm sorry, Baking Industry Awards, if you need me to give these back, then let me know your address. But I mean, how cute do they look? Who would take these away from me? No one. You'd be a hooligan to take these away from me. Oh my gosh, I love Dealy Boppers. I literally... Why do I not? This is my first ever pair of Dealy Boppers. No, I had a Christmas pair, that's a lie. Blah, 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 blah. I mean, they are tiny. They're definitely for a child. I do have a big head though. This, so obviously I've got my purple one. I was literally just sipping from it. That's the purple one, which everyone thought was big already. And then we've got this beauty. So I just introduced Jesse to the sweets and he's loving the Mike and Ike's. Am I right?
Shout out to Akira. Oh, is that the one?
It's even better because it's waves and blue. I'm so happy with it.
It's quite a nice little cup.
It's lovely, isn't it, with the waves?
I collect fishing gear. You're a cup collector.
I think
How many do you have?
I've only got 2. Still yet to find my own. I feel like I have to find my own. That one was from Hong Kong, so I'm slowly growing my collection. Flying saucers. No one wanted theirs. I ate a whole box yesterday, and then 2 of the people gave me them because they saw how much I like them. Sweets from Ikea. And the car thing. You all know that I have those little tiny silver hoops that I wear every single day, and I have worn them ever since like 6th form. And I went to the hotel and they were on the side, and I put them in some cling film to like not get them lost in anything. And the cleaners came in the room and threw them away, and they took the bin out with them. So unfortunately I no longer have my silver hoops, so I need to get a new pair. But they were like my favourite perfect silver hoops. I don't even remember where they were from because I got them so long ago. And I feel like I look so weird without my hoops. How cool is this? I'm so excited to go to New York because this is from Bath & Body Works and I'm gonna hit Bath & Body Works up! Okay, so you peel this off of that and it's like a little liquid which smells off the chain, and then you just pop him in there. It's scent portable, so it means it just apparently can fit anywhere. So there we go, there's that little spot. You can't even really tell it's there. I think that's officially the end of the vlog because, as you know, I'm a talker, and it doesn't help me because when I have to edit down about an hour and a half worth of footage into the 15 minutes that you see. I hope you've enjoyed. Peace out, punks. I love you so much. I really do love you.